So as a business owner, one of the things I love about optimizing local SEO, even from the marketing point, is the fact that you are not fighting against the global SEO. You're not fighting against every feature on Google, right? At this point, when I mean feature, I mean the AI mode, the videos, the images, the maps, I mean the news, the forums. You are fighting against your location and now in AI mode. So here's what I mean. So if someone is searching for local SEO agency or car hire services in my city, because I own a business, right? And I apply everything into the system. Everything I learned, everything I do into the system. So this is what I mean. So if I come here and search car hire services in, I mean this is my city literally, right? So now what happens is, what you tell Google is, oh Google, I'm trying to know who is the best service provider in this city. Now let's say I search for real estates in company near me. Right? Let's say I search for real estate company near me. Right? Now what I'm trying to let Google know is, oh Google, I want to know the best real estate company near my city. Now, what is going to happen on the back end is going to take advantage of your location, right? To know, okay, where are you? It's going to look at your previous history to know where are you exactly, and now it's going to provide results for you. This is the first thing you always see on the local park. And now on the flip side, where our social media comes into place, you can also see social media, Google pulls from social media. Now, this is why it's very, very important if you want to do the grassroots game, if you want to win in the grassroots level, if you want to win in the grassroots game. So when I mean win in the grassroots game, it's like the ripple effect or the multiple effect that happens is when someone outside, this always works for me, especially in my line of business, right? It always works for me. I get calls from different states outside, inside Nigeria, like different state people who call me and say, okay, I'm looking for this service and I got your number from Google and I figured out that you are the number one or you have this X numbers of reviews. I would want to know how much your service is. So that's like the perfect, and that's like the ripple effect. And this is why I would always say that optimizing for the local, optimizing for your local is very, very important now against doing your social media. And even if you're doing your social media, you should also include your city, include your local, include where you're serving, because search is very, very important. Search is the first point and search is the middle point. Right? Search start the conversation. Search makes the conversation more real. Search makes the conversation more interesting. And search helps a user makes the final decision. This is what you want to understand about local SEO. And let's get back to work. Cheers.